Hello guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having an amazing day. I'm up this morning. It's Labor Day. I'm getting, the wheels are turning. So I'm going to create this basket. I made my backer out of a cardboard from Dollar Tree and added this paper, contact paper from Dollar Tree. We're going to add this Dove lotion, this Dove body wash, all with the pink concept. We're going to add this lip gloss. We're going to add this watch, this card holder, this journal, and this head wrap and scrunchie thing from Dollar Tree. I took it out of the box because I thought it would look a bit better in there. So we're gonna set this right there, and we're gonna add a glue dot to it so it can stay in place. I didn't even pick my bag out or my ribbon. So I'll do a short to let y'all see the finish of it. We're going to do trying to see which way I want. I think I'm going to add it just like this. I don't know. I think I'm going to lift this up a little bit and then set it right there. We're going to add the journal. I'm trying to see if I want it in behind or in front of that. Everything good and perfect. Let everything you say be good and helpful. Ephesians 4:29. Let everything you say be good and helpful. Ephesians 4:29. I think that's good. I got a pen that I'm going to add that'll match that. I didn't have that in the concept. Then we're going to set this loofah right there. Oh, that's the other thing that came in that set was this key ring. So I just took the little things that it came with and stuck it down in the loofah to keep it in place so it won't drop off of there. And they can easily pull it out when they get it. I think one might be enough. So we're going to set that right there so you can see the keychain. We're going to set this card holder right there. Add a glue dot to it. Like that. Let's take the little paper out. Get that so it's straight. So everything can be straight, and we're gonna put another glue dot right there. So it'll connect in two places. Okay. Then we're gonna set the dove. I gotta get something to bring it up. Hold on just a minute, guys. I'm gonna go behind y'all. Get some of this tissue paper. Put the dove right there. I forgot my flower too. Ain't that something? I'm not gonna make this video no longer, but y'all see it on the short. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having a wonderful Labor Day, that you're relaxing, getting ready for your work week. We're gonna put this lipstick right here, a lip gloss. Getting ready for your work week. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. And could you do one thing for me? Could you hit that subscribe button, please? And thank you. I would love for you to be a part of my channel. And I think we already thanked the Lord for allowing us to see this day. But if we didn't, we're going to do it right now. Thank you, Lord, for allowing us to see another day that was not promised to us. But Lord, you're so merciful that you allowed us to see this day, and we thank you. So, yeah, please hit the subscribe button, please, and thank you. But guys, I think I'm about through with this little concept. If we can get the little keychain up in there, get it in someone's where it could just go down and be great. Can I be great, Lufa? Let's see. So I ain't doing nothing for the Labor Day. We barbecued on Saturday and got it out of the way. I'm gonna finish the trimmings today, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Otherwise, just sitting, relaxing. And I'm probably gonna be making baskets the whole day and making content. I don't go out or party or hang out or none of that. Trying to live for the Lord. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing today. We're going to set the watch. We're just going to set it in there like that. And I just left it on the thing. We're going to add a glue dot to make it stick to the card holder. So I think that's going to be it, guys. All I got to do is add some little embellishment, a rose or something. Let me step around here and see how it looks. I want that lifted up a little bit, so I'm going to scoot some of that tissue paper over. And we're going to see how it looks from behind. Something is off. Something is off to me. Maybe I'll put the glue dot at the bottom. book's kind of leaning. I got a trick for that also. Got a trick for that also. Make it be straight. But I think everything else is alright. Okay. And I got a little pin. Let me run and get the pin, because it matches it pretty good. And these pins, I got them, they came in a 3-pack like this. And I think I'm going to use that flowery one. Maybe we'll just stick it right there. Let's see if we can get it on this card holder. And then straighten the card holder up. I think that's gonna be it, guys. I might put I need this card holder to get it straight. There. I'm gonna put another glue dot on that. So guys, I know I don't talk a lot. I'm sorry. I just be concentrating on working. But I'm sorry. I thank you all for watching me, for taking out your time to stop by and watch me do this basket. I appreciate you. I really do. And for taking time out your day to stop by and watch me create this basket. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope your Labor Day is great. I hope God rains down many blessings on you. Many, many, many blessings on you. I hope you enjoy your family, and I hope you get rested up if you got to start your work week tomorrow. I hope you get enough rest today so you can make it through the week. But always remember that God is with you through your weak points, so call upon Him. He's right there to help us when we're weak. When we get weak, He's right there to help us. So call upon Him for strength during your weak times, during your week. So I'm not going to keep y'all no longer. I'm trying to straighten this stuff up. I might have to put some shred in it to get it to act right. But that is the basket concept. That watch, it looks like it's crooked. That I'm going to go with. Maybe if I set it up like that. That's better. That's the concept that I came up with. Most of the products came from Dollar Tree. The watch, the keychain, and the card holder came from Walmart on a clearance event. They have marked them down from $16 to $3, and I got a whole bunch of them. I'm just trying to work on them, rework them, because I had it in a different concept. It didn't sell, so when it don't sell, you come back and try again. So that's what I'm doing, trying again. I might add some pink shred in it. I'm not sure, but I know for sure I'm going to add a flower in it, a rose or something in the front. And yeah, guys, that's the end of my video. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for being here. I want to wish you a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see my video. I hope you have a blessed one. And until my next video, you all be blessed, because I'm at 14 minutes. Didn't mean to hold y'all this long. But again, I appreciate y'all for stopping by, spending your time with me. And until my next video, everybody be blessed.